Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to my YouTube channel Crack Lakshay. In today's session, we are going to practice from the topic history. So, let's get started without any wastage of time. So, the very first question from the Indian history: who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? So, the answer is option C, that is Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 2: the Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? So, the correct answer is option A, that is 1757. Question number 3: who was the last Mughal emperor of India? So the correct answer is option C, that is Bahadur Shah II. Question number 4: the Indus Valley civilization is also known as. The correct answer is option B, that is Harappan civilization. Question number 5: who was the first Governor General of India? So the correct answer is option C, that is Warren Hastings. Question number 6: who wrote Arthashastra? So the correct answer is option B, that is Kautilya wrote the Arthashastra. Question number 7: who introduced the subsidiary alliance? So the correct answer is option B, that is Lord Wellesley. Wellesley. Question number 8: the capital of the Magadha during the Mauryan rule was. So the correct answer is option B, that is Patliputra. Question number 9: who was the first woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate? So the correct answer is option B, that is Razia Sultan. Question number 10: who was the founder of the Gupta Empire? So the correct answer is option B, that is Chandragupta I. Question number 11: the Battle of the Buxar was fought in the year 1764. That is option B is the correct answer. Question number 12: who was known as the Napoleon of India? So the correct answer is option A, that is Samudragupta. Question number 13: the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire was Hampi. The answer is option B. Question number 14: who founded the Arya Samaj? So the correct answer is option B, that is Swami Dhyananda Saraswati. Question number 15: the Quit India movement was launched in the year 1942. That is option B is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Question number 16: who gave the slogan do or die? So the answer is option B, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 17: who was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India? So the correct answer is option C, that is Babur. Question number 18: who built the Red Fort in Delhi? So the correct answer is option C, that is Shah Jahan. Question number 19: who introduced the doctrine of lapse? So the correct answer is option B, that is Lord Dalhousie. Question number 20: the famous book Indica was written by. So the correct answer is option B, that is Meghadnis. Question number 21: who was the first president of Indian National Congress? So the correct answer is option A, that is W.C. Banerjee. Question number 22: the permanent settlement was introduced by Lord Cornwallis. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 23: who was the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Services? So the correct answer is option A, that is Satyendranath Tagore. Question number 24: the Battle of Panipat, that is the first one, was fought in which year? So the correct answer is 1526. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 25. Who among the following was the founder of the slave dynasty? So the correct answer is option A, that is Kutubuddin Aibak. Question number 26. Who was known as the light of Asia? So the answer is option B, that is Buddha Gautama. Question number 27. Who shifted the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? So the correct answer is option B, that is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 28. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? So the answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. That is option A is the correct answer. Question number 29. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in 1919. That is option C is the correct answer. Question number 30. Who founded the Forward Bloc Party? So the correct answer is option C, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 31. The Champaran Satyagraha was related to what? I think this one is the easy answer, so you must answer it in the comment box. I will wait for your answers. Let's go to the next question. Question number 32. Who was the viceroy during the partition of Bengal, that is 1905? So the correct answer is option A, that is Lord Curzon. Question number 33. Who built the Qutub Minar? So the correct answer is option B, that is Kutubuddin Aibak. Question number 34. The non-cooperation movement was called off due to what? So the correct answer is option B, that is Chori Chora incident. Question number 35. Who was the first Indian woman president of INC? So the correct answer is option B, that is Sarojini Naidu. Question number 36. The famous iron pillar is located at which place? So the correct answer is option C, that is Mehrauli in Delhi. Question number 37. Who was the last ruler of the Maurya dynasty? So the correct answer is option A, Ashoka. Question number 38. The Simon Commission was appointed in which year? So the correct answer is option B, that is 1927. Question number 39. Who was the first Indian Governor General of independent India? So the correct answer is option C, that is C, Raja Gopalachari. Question number 40. The first census in India was conducted in which year? So the answer is option A, that is 1872. Question number 41. Who was the founder of the Chola dynasty? So the correct answer is option B, that is Vijayalaya Chola. Question number 42. Who introduced the Ryotwari system? So the correct answer is option B, that is Thomas Munro. Question number 43. Who was the founder of Mughal dynasty in India? So the correct answer is option C, that is Babur. Question number 44. Who introduced the Mansabdari system? So the correct answer is option A, that is Akbar. Question number 45. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? So the correct answer is option B, that is Bhagat Singh. Question number 46. Who was the first Mughal ruler to conduct a regular census? So the correct answer is option B, that is Akbar. Question number 47. The Harappan people worshipped Lord Shiva, that is Proto Shiva. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 48. Who was the first Indian woman ruler to sit on Delhi's throne? So the correct answer is option B, that is Razia Sultan. Second last question. Who was the first Indian to be elected to the British Parliament? So the correct answer is option A, that is Dadabhai Naoroji. And the last question, who was the last viceroy of India? So the correct answer is option B, that is Lord Mountbatten. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the history content. If you have any specific topics you would like to me to cover in future videos, so please leave a comment below. I would love to hear your suggestions. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Jai Hind. All the best for your exams.